That's really helpful. If someone motivates you and you are very consistent regarding learning this language or anything, if you are consistent, so definitely you can improve very quickly. Good afternoon, and how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. And what about you?
I'm also great, thank you. Okay, so can we start with the introduction? So we are meeting for the first time.
Yeah. Then my name is Arvind Kumar. I am from
Mhm.
UP. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have done master degree in English, and I am a teacher in a private school. And right now, I am in New Delhi to learn spoken English. And what about you?
Okay, that's great. So you are a teacher.
Yeah,
Which subject you teach?
English.
English only. Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm introducing myself as well. So my name is Tanuja and I belong from Bhopal city. And currently I'm a working professional in IT sector. My qualification, I have done engineering from computer science. And yeah, I'm also a YouTuber. Yeah, that's all about me.
That's great.
So currently you are in Delhi, right?
Right.
So you are learning this language. Is there any specific goal for this, or is it your passion?
It is my passion to learn English and speak English.
Okay, and you are also a teacher for English, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you teach like grammar things only, or is spoken English?
No, grammar.
Grammar things. Okay, perfect. Okay, so what's your hobbies?
My hobbies, my hobbies are playing cricket, watching, and listening to
Mhm.
music. Yeah,
Okay, so these days you are playing
and
cricket or not?
no, here I couldn't able to find any ground,
Mhm.
but in my village I used to play cricket.
Okay, so I forgot the name of where you belong.
UP,
UP.
Devariya district. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, actually, my parents' hometown is in Bihar, so
Bihar. Which city? Which district?
it is Bhagalpur. Have you heard this name?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, actually, I don't go there very frequently because it's very far from my place. So I just go on a particular occasion. But we follow all the culture of Bihar only.
Yeah. It it is it it binds us.
Hmm.
There is a thing which kept us keep us in foundation and society.
Yes, whatever the festivals and all these things like food or everything we follow according to Bihar. And my most of the relatives lives there, and only my family is living here.
That's great.
So, do you celebrate Chhat Puja?
Yeah. Puja is the main one of the main festival of Bihar and UP, and
Mhm.
especially Purvanchal.
Yes.
I belong from Purvanchal.
Okay. So, you celebrate in Delhi only, or you go to your village?
No. No. This year I will not celebrate Chhat Puja because I can't go back to my home.
Okay. Okay. So, where you are living in Delhi? So, anyone celebrate there?
I don't know if there will be any kind of celebration or not.
Okay. Yes, because nowadays everyone, whoever is living outside Bihar and UP, also they are celebrating this festival. So we are living. I can say I'm living here since my childhood, and yeah, most of the people who belongs to Bihar and UP, they are celebrating here also.
Okay,
Yeah.
then you can enjoy.
Yes,
But
definitely,
not
I'm gonna
anyone.
enjoy.
I don't I don't know anyone here besides my roommate. So it may be impossible to celebrate Chhat Puja here.
Mm-hmm. I can understand. Yeah, once we leave outside our hometown, so we can't say like that, yes, we can celebrate or not.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so anything else you want to discuss?
yeah, yeah. Can you tell something about your job?
Yes, so I have 4 years of experience in this field, IT field. So after my graduation, I joined this job, and currently I'm working here, and I'm a security engineer in my workplace.
Okay, that's great. And what about your parents?
They live with me. I can say because these days I'm working from home, so I'm at my hometown, so they are with me.
Do they work or not?
Yes, they work.
Okay, that's great.
For improving English, what are the things you are doing?
I am. Uh, I have taken my class here at GTV Nagar, and besides it, I since yesterday I am talking with. Actually, it is my third session with.
Okay. Okay, so this is your third
And
session only.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so before that you haven't taken any kind of session for English?
No, 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 no.
No. Okay. Yes. So yeah, definitely once you will practice regularly, so you can improve as soon as possible.
I hope so.
Yeah, because I can say these things, but I had also started 7 months ago. This is speaking part, and now I have improved a lot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, so yeah, practice makes perfect. So definitely, if you are practicing daily, so you can improve very quickly.
I am trying my level best to improve my spoken skills, but let's see.
Okay, so apart from this speaking part, are you doing anything else? Any other things like reading or writing, listening, any
Yeah,
kind of activity?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Listening, reading, such kind of activities I am doing on daily basis.
Okay, okay, that's great. So you can improve very quickly.
I, I have come here especially for spoken English.
Okay. So are you talking in English with your roommates?
Yeah, yeah. He can speak English fluently.
Okay, that's great. You have someone with whom you can practice.
Yeah, yeah. But he has to go to work.
Mhm.
But when he comes, I used to talk to him, and he motivated me a lot,
Yes, yes.
motivates me a lot, and give me gives me some tips.
That's really helpful. If someone motivates you and you are very consistent regarding learning this language or anything, if you are consistent, so definitely you can improve very quickly. So we should never give up.
Yeah,
In my case, also, I haven't tried to speak in my school days or college days. And once I started my job, so here I have to speak in English only. So that time I faced a lot of difficulties regarding my communication. Then I realized, no, I should improve my English and I should give my level best to improve this language. So that's why I'm learning this language and trying to give my best.
okay. Then where did you get your education? MP?
Yes, yes, MP. From my hometown itself, I have done my schooling and college. So,
Oh,
I already visited Delhi or Noida because, my job location is in Noida only.
oh,
So, I lived there for 3 or 4 months before COVID. And then now, after the COVID, I got this opportunity to work from home. So, that's why now I'm with my family members and living in my hometown.
good for you.
Yeah, we can say this.
Do you want
Do
to
you
share?
have any happiest moment in your life?
Yeah, last year in the last year when the result of UP board announced,
Mm-hmm.
then one of my students got first place in my district, and that was the happiest moment for me in my life.
Okay, yeah, definitely it's a very happiest moment for every teacher if their student is doing great in their life. Yes.
And I belong from rural area. That's
Mm-hmm.
why before that I have never seen that that any student from my area have got any position in district level or state level
Okay,
in
okay. So,
board exam.
so that's
That's
really
it
great
was
achievement.
yeah.
That's great.
And what is your happiest moment?
Okay, so I would say that once I got the mail that I got selected in one of the multinational company and I got this job, so that time I can say I was very happy because everyone is struggling to get a job and they in their life they want a settled job, I can say. So once I get this mail that yes I got selected, so that time I was very happy. So I can say this is my happiest moment.
Okay, that's great. Obviously, it will be your happiest moment.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So, do you have any specific plan for your future? Like, what do you want to do?
Yeah, yeah. I want to learn spoken English, and after that, I will go back to my home,
Mm-hmm.
and there I will set up my own coaching class and will teach students.
Yes. So, yeah, it would be great, because you live in rural areas in your
Yeah.
hometown, right? So, you can teach others. So, there is this kind of environment in your village or not?
No, no.
No? Okay. Then
I wanted to teach
change.
English at high level.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I got it. So you want to teach others and they are not getting environment as of now, so you can give them, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that is very good thing.
Tell me something more about you.
Okay, so as I told about my city and all these things, so my hobbies, I can say that I love to do drawing and dancing. But yeah, nowadays I don't get much time to do these things. So, but yeah, sometimes whenever I get time, I just do anything, any drawing, or if I'm in like if I'm getting bored, so I just do dance for just for fun.
Okay.
And this week is busy because of already know that Chhat
Because
Puja is coming. But yeah, I have to manage both the things. I because I don't have holiday for Chhat Puja, so I'm just working my office work as well, and yeah, helping my mom for this puja.
we
So
dance, but I couldn't.
you don't know dance?
No, no.
Okay, I really don't. I can say I'm not proficient in this, but I just do it for fun only. I can say whenever I
Oh,
have any kind of marriage ceremony or something like that, then only I just do. if you are doing work and after that you don't have anything else to do, so if you do this kind of activity, so it relax your mind, I can say.
Yeah, yeah, really.
Yes, so we should do something. It's not only about dancing, so whatever things makes you happy, you should do this thing.
Yeah, I'm agree.
Okay, so have you
So
visited all the places in Delhi?
no, no, no. I have just visited uh, India Gate
Mm-hmm.
2 days ago.
Okay, I have also visited. I have visited India Gate, Qutub Minar, and other things as well. I can't remember the name. Yeah, I most of the places I visited there. Lotus Temple. You have heard this name, and Red Fort.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have heard only Lotus Temple. Red, yeah, yeah, Red Fort too.
Okay. So yeah, I already visited all these places.
Whenever I will got a chance to visit there, I will go.
Yes, yes, you should
It is
go.
historical place.
Mm-hmm. Yes, definitely we should, visit. If you are leaving any of the other city, so I don't know when we will get another chance to visit there. So we should, we should visit all the places. So anything else you want to discuss, or can we wind up this call?
Yeah, we should stop.
Okay, then
But
fine.
you know,
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you
Okay,
so
okay.
much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.